Welcome to our Getting Started series. In this video, we're going to talk about sharing and collaboration. If you're like me, you probably don't work alone, and when you work in a team, it's important to work together and share information. The best way to work as a team is by adding team members as users to the same Analytics Cloud account. Because trial accounts can only have one user, you will have to upgrade to add more team members. If you're on a trial, you can upgrade by clicking the Buy Now button. Just a heads up, you can't collaborate with users from a completely separate Analytics Cloud account. This is for your data security. So you'll want to make sure to add team members to the same account rather than signing up as individuals. For example, if you have 5 colleagues that are going to be using Analytics Cloud, select 5 users when checking out, rather than purchasing 5 separate times. Now let's talk about sharing. After you've built your story, you won't want to keep your findings to yourself. So there are a couple ways you can share your stories. If printing is your thing, you can share your story by creating a PDF. First, you'll want to fix your page size to one that can be easily printed, like US letter. You can set page size in 2 places, the styling panel and story preferences. This is best done before you design your story, but if not, don't worry, it's easy to move your tiles around to fit your new page size. Once your story is ready, choose Save as File to download a PDF version. As a printed PDF, your stories can still be useful, but keep in mind that others can't drill down into your charts or interact with the information in your story. So, the most dynamic way to share stories is when multiple team members are added to the same Analytics Cloud account. This way, when you're ready to share your story, you can choose to share it to the entire organization, specific teams, or individual team members. You can customize access levels from read-only to full access, or somewhere in between. When you share your story with someone else, they'll receive an email with a link directly to the story. They'll also receive a notification in their notification center. To see all of the stories that have been shared with you, simply choose Browse, Stories, Shared with Me from the main menu. Sharing is important, but when it comes to your organization's data, security is the #1 priority. So Analytics Cloud protects you with enterprise-level security features. If you want to change someone's access level or remove their rights from a particular story, simply open the sharing settings, update them, and click Save. If you have sensitive information in a story, you can hide individual pages like this. Hiding a page means that it won't be visible to those without edit rights to your story, and it won't be visible in presentation mode either. You can tell that a page is hidden to others by the strike through the title. In addition to story security, system admins can assign specific roles to team members collaborating on the same account. Roles help to control overall access to information. Admins can choose from preset roles or create new roles that are unique to your organization. Another benefit of adding multiple team members to the same account is the ability to collaborate without even having to leave the application. To collaborate with your team in SAP Analytics Cloud, you'll use built-in collaboration tools, including discussions, tasks, and comments. Discussions are chats that can be accessed no matter where you are in the application. You can create different discussion groups by adding team members like this. You can also link stories to related discussions for easy access from the discussion panel. To do this, open the discussion while you're in the story you want to link, and click Link Story. You can add any number of stories to a single discussion. Now, no matter where you are in the application, you can quickly navigate to a related story through discussions. From discussions, you can also add attachments. These attachments can be files stored within your application or files from your desktop. The final thing you can do in discussions is assign tasks to yourself or other members of your team. Tasks allow you to manage workflows and collaborate with colleagues so you're always on the same page. Let's say you want a colleague to weigh in on a visualization or update some information in your story. You can assign them a task so that they know what they need to do. When you create a task, your assignee will be automatically notified in the application, but you can choose to send them an email as well. You can find tasks in the events section of the application or by opening the time panel. The last way to collaborate in Analytics Cloud is by commenting on specific tiles already in your story. To add a comment, choose the Add Comment option from your tiles toolbar. Once you enter a comment, you'll see a number appear on your tile. This number relates to the corresponding comment thread. These threads are accessed in the Comments panel, which is only accessible in your story. Note that your comments will be listed as pending until you save your story. When you click on a particular thread in the panel, you'll be transported to the tile associated with that particular comment. If you want to hide the thread numbers from your story, click the comment mode button in the toolbar. You'll still see a notification on the comments button, so you know the number of comment threads in the story. Once a comment has been created, collaborators can respond by clicking the like button or by adding their own comment in response. When the comment is resolved, you can delete the thread like this. Sharing stories and collaborating using discussions, tasks, and comments are just some of the ways that SAP Analytics Cloud can make working in a team easier and more efficient. If you're ready to start collaborating and sharing, simply upgrade from your free 30-day trial to a business plan and start adding colleagues now.